Hello and welcome to the Vanguard Hour presents Crappy Deck Day, where we play decks that are out of date or incomplete. Today we have Liberator Garmore versus Megacolony Machining.
Hi, this is Noah. I'm playing a Garmore deck.
Hello, this is Jason and
It hurts to say it.
and I am playing a machining deck. And welcome to Crappy Build Match. Two crappy decks versus each other.
Mine isn't crappy, it's just incomplete.
So it's mine. Well, mine's just crappy.
The little fighter crawl.
Machining worker ant.
I will begin this.
Alright.
Awesome fight. Ride. May Rain Liberator. Done.
Ride.
Good. He does not.
Has Professor Madfly.
He does not have Forerunner. You can't even hit me.
6.
No guard.
Dang it.
My turn.
Yeah.
That's annoying because I need a damage.
That's why it's Crappy Deck Day.
10.
Draw trigger.
13.
No guard. Heal trigger. Stand and draw. Ride. Machining Mantis. When he's played on the Vanguard or Rearguard, if I have a Megacolony with machining in my soul, he gets 3,000 power.
Oh man.
Oh man. Oh man. Professor Pest Madfly. 18.
No.
Machining Mosquito.
Yes.
I activate Professor Pest Madfly's ability. Discard a card when he hits and draw. Done.
I am the best. Counterblast. Put Crom to the soul. Check the top 5 for a grade 3. Put it in my hand. Choices. You might want to take. I don't do.
Just take that Garmore. Cancel out. It's exciting.
I think I'll survive.
I'm pretty sure you will.
We'll see. I suck, so we'll see. Another starter onto my field. 9. 10.
Yeah, there goes my
14.
no guard.
Critical trigger all.
Double crit.
Plus 10,000, plus 2 critical.
Done.
Yep.
Ride.
Win a game.
Machining Stag Beetle. Activate his ability. Call out Machining Mantis at rest. And Machining Worker Ant at rest. He gains 14,000 power. Activate Worker Ant's ability to restand Mantis. He does not gain 14,000 power. Because there's no machining in the set. Play Machining Armor Beetle. Put a Megacolony unit into my soul. Marin cannot stand this turn. Call Machining Mosquito. Soul Charge 1.
Woohoo! I think it's soul charged that.
Call Machining Armor Beetle. Put a machine in the soul. Bruno does not stay.
I think we're just gonna understand.
Chill.
I don't know what to do with that.
9,000.
I think this is gonna hit.
30,000.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Heal trigger? That was it?
16.
Mayray.
Done.
Stand.
No.
Oh yeah. Stand. Gancelot. I'll move Marin back. Call. 13.
20.
Full drive. Stand trigger. 5,000. Stand. Rest them now.
Right, Machining Stag Beetle.
That's just annoying. Does he have a machining stag beetle on the soul that rest and rest everything?
Call Machining Mantis at rest. Machining Worker Ant at rest. Stag Beetle gains 14,000. Activate Worker Ant's ability to scan Mantis.
Mantis gains 3,000.
3,000 for the machine units. 12.
Mayray.
30,000.
No. Garmore, please do not die.
Critical, +1, 5,000.
Trigger. Stand trigger, 5,000. Stand. Mayray. Well, I'm out of those.
Activate Advice Provision. Discard a card to draw a card. 21. Done.
Draw.
Oh, you can't stop this.
18. Because I want to be able to break. I'll live. The viewers know I will live that long.
25.
Gancelot.
Dang it.
Output.
I must kill.
16. Done. Will you kill me? Or you just stun
Call
people.
Machining Mantis doing 3,000 power because I have machining assault. Call Machining Hornet doing 3,000 power because I have machining assault. 16.
Get through this. Quintet 21. 26. 36. 41. 46.
Draw trigger. Plus 5,000.
You're not gonna go for
Draw a card. Draw trigger. Plus 5,000. Draw a card.
Good work, Quintel.
22.
26.
22.
31. Minor. Break Ride. Alfred. 10,000 to Alfred and 5,000 3 of my rear guards. By counterblasting 2 Liberators with Alfred's maneuver, I can look at the top 1 card of my deck and call it if it is a gold paladin. That's such a disappointing call. Gancelot. I will move Marin up. Attack your Vanguard for 20,000. I'll attack your Vanguard.
Yep.
41. Twin Drive. Stand trigger. All effects to Marin. She stands. Critical trigger. +1. 5,000 Marin. Good game.
No!